So, dear friends, we are very grateful that today we have received all the instruments which were purchased in Kinshasa. As you know, you can see, so they are assembling them, and then when everything is ready, so we will make the last video so that you can be convinced that we have done what we requested. Thank you very much for your generosity. God bless.
Pandeko to se peli mingi, and then to zwiba instrument musico. To beta musica kitoko, to salangango malam, kasi to salangango komu ya Jesu Christu.